Listen up, y'all, because this is it. The blood that I'm spilling is cool and stuff. But seriously, listen. Life changing. Blood. Let's talk a little bit about the blood types. In order to really understand blood types, there's two key terms. The first is antigen. You heard it, antigen. Now remember that word. So what is an antigen? Good question. Well, to put it simply, it is any molecule that could become a target of the immune response. Any molecule that could become a target of the immune response. So, for example, a virus could be considered an antigen, or some bacteria attached to proteins could also be considered an antigen. But this is good because we want our immune system to be able to fight off the antigens. And now you know what an antigen is. Do you think you can handle the next term? I know you can, obviously. Antibody. Antibody. Now, what's an antibody, you may ask? Well, an antibody is a molecule that attaches to an antigen that stops the antigen from doing bad things in the body. You don't want it to be doing bad things, you know? So this is cool and all, but what does antigens and antibodies have to do with blood typing, which was the point of this video? Well, let's start with type O blood, because it's the most commonly talked about. So, this means that people with type O blood have no antigens. What? Type O blood has no antigens? They do not have type A antigen or type B antigen on their red blood cells. Because of that, they produce both type A and type B antibodies naturally. So, when they receive blood that's type A or type B or type AB, they will attack against those types of red blood cells, which will eventually lead to hemolysis, which is a transfusion reaction. So, a little recap about type O blood. They do not produce antigens, but they naturally produce A and B antibodies. Okay, now let's hop over to the other side of the spectrum, type AB blood. What is it? Who has it? Who knows? In this case, you have A and B antigens on the red blood cells. They do not produce antibodies to type A or type B. So, therefore, you can receive blood from any donor, which is pretty cool. Yep, that's all you need to know. That's all you need to know. Opposite of O does not produce antibodies, but antigens. So, I hope you're a little smarter after this video. Have a great day.